I was for any permission to go to Darlington. Michelle no mako paki one masaya sayaba. Me who one am say there be. Me no any ni. I couldn't say. So. Hey, what good day? Wow. Oh, na mu debate. But Kwaku don't know him say me a musician that. On the da 2016 more bra. Me too man am say there me ban Benz in here. Kwaku Darlington, what you say? Aye. I just am going to cry. Go go be ubedi ufuara. Oh sir. As a man fast and go far no. Yeah, me ba Vivian Joe. Joe was here auntie. Oh free na go Joe. Joe. What be the another one I don't want but unu za me ka so wa kra mo me ka so kuma so kra de o taiba o wona chia mo ya de because bebre na kwa mo ma introduction me mani me ta twe ne ba kuma o wona why de because on say they are na most of the times they are na me di artist na if teach no mo free kuma se no on say e be so mo so a omunya kope na mo refree o mo nchi by Kwaku dem tell you several times. What even what you say? Even Freddie Beat will cry and metai and pa. There's a new one I want any there. What are by you will a new one be a friend here. Sir. On the another man one man. Another man one man. But we don't want a victory line. Hello, soldier no be angry man. They won't make it forward alhamdulillah. And only last year na. Yeah, no last year. Sir. Remix in the end this year. Oh, and only why? Remix in Amrado near. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, they release Pain. Come in no one. Some you know can be release cry. Things I made this send. Oh, yeah, the same. Yeah, because streaming what your friends say audio market cry. Afedio sapo. Oda mo bia fo. My yo video I get better person. We not do me long thing with the accounts no more. Sanyum na me debasa. There is a new one coming out and one watch. Eno ne title ne there. And unya okay. But unim say internet na so aye. But unim say most of your fans were looking out say this year VGMS at least. And I one submit. My submission. One year submission. No was anka kan wasi bibia won emre. Bibia me am ho de me hunu say there be. Aduma no was me do be answer. Oh okay. There be am here aduma ni do last year hunu say there you need to double up. Or say me do be answer. Ko double any say obekun because last year we aduma pa. Me aduma but once artist be am see afie mu na o target away there o set ma. But just what oh okay. Yeah, because I have songs that Pain say and a lot of streams on it. Yeah, Pain. Digital platforms. Oh, okay. A lot of people enjoy the song, but then I feel like there's still more. Like I need to do more. Anyway. Oh, okay. This year, Nankasa, the Enyan started with. Yeah, no, I feel you June, right? Yeah. You could July. Yeah, June. Almost like the middle of the year. Oh. But I feel you best started. Oh, okay. Sometimes make up I intro to the views. Okay. Also the minimum. Me see before answer you do December. Ebe job monsa okro. Oni me de ba ko sign fie fufu. Me de ko sign ho. Me de ba. E be say me de ko sign ho answer. You go dey inside you to aya ba o ka. Kwaku this year you looking out for collaborations bi na ebe ye wa say dey ani hu na. I have songs that like no one call for so that. Oh okay. But then see and the agenda is to put myself out there for Kakra and sana these collaborations should come out. Oh okay. Yeah. Oh, like one opposite say we bibi and sana. Ya planning on say no, we should be
releasing singles, I hear like solo singles. Yeah, solo singles. Because this year, as I'm dropping collaboration, that is a Happy Day remix. Me dropping another one with Tamado.
Okay.
That is Bad People Do Good.
Yeah.
So I think that we should be dropping solo. What do you call it?
Solo projects. Yeah.
Then maybe later on we think about collaboration. But we have songs. I have the name called recorded that these songs are not out already.
Oh, okay. Na me
Djka.
Only say na me hwe ni say on Zach GH baby.
Zach we adwuma.
Oh, sir.
Yeah, even the project to release I think that
Believe.
No, Believe me, a single.
Believe me, a single EP.
I was on that EP.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Zach the Fienipa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was on that EP.
Oh, okay.
This young guys, we've had a lot of collaborations. Not on my side as me collaborating with a lot of it, but we've had a lot of people collaborating with me. I mean, the songs are out there making waves, the people are enjoying the songs too. Yeah.
But Kwaku Musa, we didn't know some more hit you. Even those all type of commerce, but I am not crying here more. Oh, Munya hit you as and crying some night more, and only a danger.
And not necessarily say an crying some night more, but send a penny for kind of what to far about.
What is it?
And Juma when you're far.
Okay.
I mean, you need to explore. What is what you say?
Okay.
Until I release your canal, we do radio talk. A media tour, a book, commerce, you are quite cry, maybe Kusunyani in our radio tour and all that. Takrade, because we want to, I mean, hit a larger market. Until a year, money we are in Nafa. But that's the reason why you see people living here and there. Yet, but near the number because of the work. But as I said, you'll be free. Ghana, Kotaland now. Emanenya UK ni anaze manenya
oye den won timi na ne UK ni da moja
ni asante
kuntunzu hwan a ne nchia na eba
nti ababa tumi fie fufu one of the most best fufu
is it Kumasi there
you dey free commercial
Kumasi there fie fufu what you say I remember that was 2018 Ebony by me onim say me Ebony
yeah I watched that
interview last and sana Ebony we me ne ba ha be didi
what was the remark
fufu Ebony di ne last Kumasi ne fie fufu fufu patase
kwan agime sanwe menware a
Kwaku Kimpaluta Ewini your friend is saying new artist
yeah I mean,
new artist of the year
it's something good for everybody for the boys in Kumasi right now will be now too evident the game is now coming to Kumasi.
No correct.
Because we've had most of the big songs and our bigger songs are trendy currently. These were songs made by Kumasi acts. So what you say? Currently the #1 song in Ghana.
Oh yeah.
If not as that.
Yeah.
Then the next song is a song that was made by a American. And that is something big for everybody. It's a big boost. I mean, these boys going out there winning big for us because we didn't have only Kimpaluta winning. Amado also winning, Strongman winning the best rapper. And these boys are yes so
free infancy.
But then yes so this tells us that we have a longer way to go, like a long way to go. And going forward, we can achieve more. That is what you say. And send a Kumasi for ACT and a win for a brother is a win for everybody.
Yeah.
But when I was watching, I was happy. My boys were there.
Wow.
When Strongman won the award, he wasn't present. You saw.
But when he Yankasa.
No, like he was represented by the Kumasi boys.
Not
present.
Wow.
I saw Amrado on stage. I saw Kimpaluta on stage. But the award wasn't for them.
Yeah.
But but they all, I mean, effort.
Yeah.
Effort. And that's all that what we are wishing for. That one love and all that. And I feel that Kumasi is about that time.
Yeah.
You see, for the past, let's say 3 years, 3-4 years, it's been Kumasi from that American vibe and a Barbie scene.
Okay.
So evident. The boys, my idea, so and many is almost cash out.
Hey, they say the boys say cash out. So what crowd cash out? Sounds like cash out.
And you casa be yeah, and casa.
No, and you casa be brave. You casa be brave.
I'm not sure when you mom be brave. When I'm gonna the Ubedakate. Now, me who's all bank.
Say unim me here me kwada na me say there be boy me nya hu se because Kwaku eni pa bi ono ya on pe show off sa ko me manu wan hwe obedwa ka bedwa Kwaku nyum na nka me ne wa no bebre na say as onya breaking heart na de troy we go tie nyum na
very deep and anyone can say no because it tells a story into sound will be better and that's how music's supposed to be.
Okay,
say and come on some kwana I should tell the story of another person,
somebody. Yeah,
that's how powerful music is. It wasn't necessarily something I mean broken heart, but I mean to fit in the shoes of other people, not so related to the song. That what makes music so beautiful.
Okay,
that number a lot of songs are we listen to them actually then we listen to them and in times you feel like okay in hard times we have songs that we listen to and then you match a chill rare.
Yeah,
in love times we listen to some of their songs now it brings happy moments between us and our lovers and all that.
Yeah,
this is I think that's how music is supposed to be. So it should inspire a lot of people.
Yeah. And you artist no yeah.
Maybe I'm a hard guy.
But Kwaku ntupa unya broken hearted.
Oh, menya bida.
Kwaku unya broken hearted.
Menya bida.
Ah, broken hearted na say be ma bi aniwa.
Bida, yeah.
Sure.
Broken heart story dem can me can.
Ebe wa.
Ewa. On to am da no akoto brebo. Say that. Oh,
now you say boy be a broken hearted say time I no nika pray. Ana Satana Oscar na Oscar. I didn't know. That don't grow be anymore. I feel like the studio here ya nyumba nkakra.
It was around 2018.
Oh, okay.
I think I met this guy around 2015.
Oh, wow.
So my years as in coming.
Any warrior na?
Oh, warrior.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But then
Mon vibe is
it's supposed to be that way. So yeah, and you know can be breaking up. The only breaking up around 2018 and 2019.
So eno na man ye ya no. Ono ni Jawa na ya na hwe no.
And the reason
Jawa na ya na hwe no.
And I feel like in every breakup the Anosenka in a way I remember the Anokoya then it's beautiful because it was a happy breakup. So what you say? Our friend and she made it known to me that Okosku.
Wow.
To the university.
Now Oko school to the university. I said no kenya any excuse. Okay.
And she will need someone to assist.
To help.
Yeah, because I Ghana no be anti bottom Sika man no first I say I mean I was say we shall appreciation. No person be am who be never happen no can't share me session in case if this happens then it's because
wow.
Wow. And I thought it was because me look around to be a man. So if there's someone else who could help, na mean to me can't be by because of odo. So I don't know the other children when we feel like there's somebody outside there who can help the lady much more than we can. You need to let the lady explore. If there's someone out there who any panic to meet you as fine. It's fine. But or explaining the matter now who say that there also be one moving because we've had a lot of exes they've come back to help ex not like they are now. Because they were good to them. And me to be no back them there.
No you
me treating about.
So one cause once you who Donald draw him.
Now we shedi.
Kwaku Darlington. Darling.
Oh rapper.
David. The only rapper called Darlington. Kwaku Darlington. What do you say? Kwaku I'm say wait there. Thanks for your time. Na me das we go you will be anka onye.
Took me by surprise.
You will be anka onye me das.
Whatever my phone is me just was phone capture.
Me ba to me hu. Kwaku a little shout out to your fans out there. Because I feel now say I didn't new one abroad.
My commercial people, my fans worldwide. Across Ghana and everywhere. Now, I mean, if TGMA the song I'm covered. Big shout out to you. I just want to make you guys proud.
Okay.
This year we have a lot of amazing projects coming out, so you guys should watch out. Then, bless you. Just tune in. There's another song coming.
Okay.
I know shit.
Sanity. You be piania babonte. Yeah, the Sika be. I was for Kwaku Darlington no match no obedi fufu efie fufu what I say stars no mo ba kuma si bi obi apese obedi fie fufu mi twema na mse da bi Kwaku Darlington ni me na senka me pake won chan ka be hu me enka ba che me live ka be tu ka na akwara mse da bi. So thanks for your time, Kwaku. Me that's it.